Hi, good morning. Hope you all are okay. I'm Manoj. I was discussing you all science. So, once again, I'm here to discuss all this. Today, we will be looking with some of the questions. Some of you have given me this query. We need to know the answers of the questions. So, today we will be taking up those questions in your chapter 6. We are discussing life process. We were discussing life processes, and in this life process there are some questions like, why is diffusion insufficient to meet the oxygen requirements of multicellular organisms like human? Okay, it is a very vital question. So you need to know first that, like, we will be knowing this diffusion. Okay, wait a minute. So, like, we will be we will first need to know diffusion. What is diffusion? Diffusion is gaseous exchange between gaseous exchange between two medium from one to another. And basically diffusion is a very slow process. That too in a very small quantity, this gaseous exchange takes place. Human body is a very large body, or any other multicellular organisms having a very large body. At the same time, cells which are present on the outer surface, that only comes in that only comes in the contact with the environment, and they take part in diffusion. But the cells which are available inside the body, they are not taking part in this diffusion process. Number one. Number two, if this diffusion by the cells present in the outermost layer, from the cells at the outermost layer to the cells inside the body, it takes huge amount of time, and of course the requirement of human body is very high. So this diffusion only cannot meet the requirement of, or you can say cannot meet the oxygen requirement of human body. I hope you all understand this? If you will say me, sir, we need to get it in written, then I will provide you written notes also. Second question is, what criteria do we use to decide whether something is alive? Yeah, we were talking that movement when we were discussing about living and non-living things. We were talking about movement. So movement is the basic criteria when we can decide what are alive or what are not alive. Then their growth, response, stimuli, reactions, these are the things by which we can decide this is alive or this is dead. Hope it is clear. What are outside raw materials used for by an organism? Raw materials. Raw materials means which is not cooked. And what we need, anything, everything we need to survive. We need to get energy. So, number one thing is food. What we need from the outside. We cannot prepare our own all food. We cannot prepare food. And second thing is oxygen. We cannot prepare oxygen inside the body. So, these are the two requirements of human body or an organism, by an organism, which are the raw materials we need from outside. Hope you got it. Fourth question is, what processes would you consider essential for maintaining life? Good. Nutrition, then respiration, excretion. These are the basic process. Reproduction. These are the basic process which are essential or which are required for maintenance of life. This is very well written also here, that these are the things is necessary for a living organism to maintain life or maintain life process. So this is what it is written. It is written here. In this paragraph, it is written, since these maintenance processes are needed to prevent damage and breakdown, energy is needed for them. This energy comes from outside the body of the individual organisms. Food. We call, this is written here, food. We call food to the inside. A process of commonly called nutrition. It is also written here, called nutrition. So, I hope you understand this. Okay. So, I hope these all questions are been answered and you all need to note it in your language. Otherwise, I will provide you the written notes. Okay. Bye bye. Thank you. Before going to end this class, once again, we will say that subscribe my channel and tell your friends. If you are satisfied, tell your friends that this is a good channel. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.